first one on that side, so it should be
This one?
this one right here. 184. Cause you said these two going this way.
One.
Right there.
On this slide, we're showing the guys how to hook up an oscilloscope to find a bad wire. I'm sorry, a bad spark plug.
The two blacks go to ground.
You think it's a ground?
It's a ground. What's the other one? What's the other black one on? This one. Is another one? This one here. This one here.
It's three black?
No, terminals. Oh, that's a white. That's primary. You can take that white one off. Alright. Hit the fine order in it. Change the fine order.
She's black, one and
Secondary. Alright. So hit modify.
oh.
Come on, sorry. Back home. Hit modify.
Cylinders is eight
cylinders.
cycle, 4.
Old
What's one?
school. 1 8
1,
4 3 6 5 7 2. Enter.
What's one?
Enter. I started. I start up. Go secondary. That's primary. We don't need that right now.
Secondary?
Yeah, go to secondary one. That's secondary right here. Go to parade. Yeah.
Now look at this.
Yeah, that's very good.
See that fire line on the far right? See how lower it is? That's less resistance. That means that spark is going to the ground faster than the other cylinders. That's an easy path to ground. It's not firing inside the cylinder like completely like it's supposed to. That's due to an arcing wire or a bad plug. That plug is not firing like the other ones are.
Now, what do you think is causing that now?
And that would cause high HCs or high hydrocarbons.
Now remember,
That's a misfire the customer came in with.
Right, it's down. Fire line's down compared to the rest of them. So that's less resistance. So what do you think causes it to be low like that?
You know that less resistance means the spark is going to the ground faster, like easier than the rest of the cylinders. Matter of fact, it's avoiding the spark in the combustion chamber. Like a short the ground, like the wire short the ground, arcing the ground, or the plug wire is just, or the spark plug is just dead.